Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Sony WF-C500, that's quite easy. All you have to do is just to put back both earbuds inside this charging case, the right one and the left one. And after this, when you close this case, they are going to be charged thanks to this charging case. And also, sometimes you need to recharge this case. So on the back of this device, just right here, you can find the USB-C cable. So that's the cable from my phone. I'm gonna show you. As you can see right here, that's the USB-C cable from my Pixel phone. And all you have to do is just to plug this cable into this port. And after this, you can find information that this indicator turns orange. And it means that right now your charging case is charging. And when it turns green, it means that you are above 50% of the battery of your charging case. And that's basically it. If you wonder about the wireless charging, unfortunately, this earbuds doesn't support the wireless charging. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.